This is J&J Stereo. We're gonna pretty much empty a computer case, use the case and some components, and build a whole new system today with 32 gigs DDR5 and 12th generation i9 CPU. Here we go.
Another J&J Stereo video.
Okay, parts are live. We'll be putting a 12th generation i9 12th generation computer together. This is your RAM, a DDR5, dual 32 gigs, so it's 216. Thermal paste, motherboard. We already gotten it out of the box. Here's the i9 cord unlock. 12 gen. And here's the board. The board is this right here. And I'm gonna be taking another board and stuff out of another case. It's i7 8 gen. I'm gonna kind of get that out and I'm gonna put that in there. We're gonna just use the same power supply because it's like a 700 watt, 750 I think it was, and we're gonna use the same fans and lights and stuff in the case. Here we go. Sit back and relax and enjoy. Okay, we're gonna be getting this case out right here.
Making it stupid.
I'll be reusing this board. Only thing we're gonna be using is recycling is the case, the cool master, power supply, and the case.
Take pictures, do not do
so
video.
That's what we're doing. Pretty much the case right here. You got this one had quite a bit of money. Oh, we're gonna be using the solid state drive. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's easy to buy some extra bolts and stuff in a set like this. That's what we did. We bought an extra kit for parts. I'll be reusing this Wi-Fi card for my project. I'll be doing one with this board and another case in the future. There we go. We got that out. She's getting all the parts together. You got the thermal paste? You didn't get the blue bag, did you? Okay, here we go. You can always take it apart. Always read the instructions. Always know where to plug bodies back in. That's the fan. Plugs in right there. Just make sure you just take pictures. This is a very small board for a very big case, so everything will upgrade in it. She's documenting the plugs right now for the case. We already did this once, but it's easier to document if you're going to switch from one board to another, so you have an idea where the connections go to from the case itself. So that's what she's doing. She's documenting it. It can be easy because the drives, the power supply is already in the case, and the fans, cooling fans, the case fans. The main thing is we're just taking out this board and putting a new board with CPU, this heat sink, and the video card, and all new RAM. So that's what we're doing.
Up first. These are big.
Yeah.
All these come out first.
How much was this one? What is it? It's G4 RTX. What number is it? Gigabit.
I think it's a 360.
360. What is it? 6 gig? 12?
Something like that.
I know it was an upgrade for what it was. I think it was 640 was the original we had in it. You should have a little latch down here.
You can reach it.
I got it. I got it. I think I got it. Come straight up now.
Can't.
Let me put the camera down. Deal is, you got this clip right here we're starting with. You have to squeeze it, and you have to pull it out. So when you put it in, this clip latches when you put the new card in. Okay, I'm going ahead and start unplugging. This is hard drive. This is
So this is staying attached to the board, but I still need to undo it in case.
Just got a little squeeze pads, squeeze thing on it.
Yep. Leaving the memory in. Shit. Do you need to take it out?
No.
You want your chubby fingers?
That one. That one. We just have to remember which drive is which, you know.
Okay, I took pictures of everything that plugs.
That's empty. That's the actually that's the Cool Master plug.
Cool Master comes off.
Yeah, we go ahead and pop this Cool Master off. We got screws. You know what that is? And it pops right out.
Yes,
I got to buy me another one for my project. That's $50.
Needed a new one.
Yeah, it's $50. So that's only I need for my project. If we're gonna recycle this board, because you still got 32 gigs RAM. It's still an i9, 8 gen, i9 or 9 gen.
Now I can get to it.
So it's still moderate.
Modern.
So what is that? The Cool
I
Master
have to
fan?
take this off to get the other screw.
We might have to blow this fan. Blow some air in it. Whoa, it's already loose.
Yeah, I already did too. I need to take the fan off so I can get the other two screws.
You got 4 screws on this Cool Master. The spring loaded. There we go. It's the CPU. We're not gonna worry about that. I have to wipe that off.
More gel.
I just wipe it off and put new gel on it later when we redo it. Got one plug in here for power again. We got 2 connections.
Right,
1,
now
2.
we need to find the screws.
And this right here is the case fan right here. Back case fan right there.
Now we just need the screws.
We just undo the screws. That's not a screw.
You sure? It looks like a screw to me. All the star ones.
That one. You got little black screws in this one. Just taking all the screws out. This one.
When I pick it up.
Hopefully this will be a pretty quick. It might be a pretty fast switch because we did it like we built like several of them already that was custom build. This board right here came out of recently out of iPower computer to a bigger case.
Here, since your ass is over there, you do more screws.
What screws?
I didn't do them all. I'm pretty sure I have some. Yeah, there's some left. Hopefully none of them are under here. Otherwise we have to take it out.
Take that one out. Throw this card in here. And this one right here. Try not to scratch the board by, you know, your screwdriver and stuff. Screw. I can't really see. One. Should be one right here. I think it's the last one. Feel like it's sliding. I can't get the screw out.
Pull it straight up.
So we got to we have to redo the legs, the kickoff thing.
When you get it.
Yeah, I got it. This is what looks like empty. Again, you have to put new kickoff.
Alright, where do we want to put this?
I was put all in there. I was gonna put all my stuff in there, but
I need to make space.
just take that out. Put that down. That's why we're making it bigger. Here's the screw you needed. Just sorry about the table. Mess. Space. Okay, this is gonna be mine. The brown is mine. This goes over here. This we might have to blow out and clean it. Get it ready. There we go. You have to look at the, you know, and every ground yourself on the case. You ain't got no, you don't have no ground strap on. The best way to do that, we use fingernail polish to mark all the kickoffs.
You are metal.
What metal?
Anything with metal break.
What metal break?
Cover. Cover is in my way.
Oh.
I think it is covering place.
It came off.
There.
Okay, I need that for mine. Pushing it down.
To go down
Well,
and over, so I can. So I'm probably gonna need more space for this thing.
yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Push this over this way, like that.
Everything out of the way. All right.
And just make sure you don't.
Get the slide down.
Nice. Very nice. Oh, okay. We need to get some
First,
no.
we have to line it up too.
We need.
No, that's in the screw. It's a good place. I see the metal mounting bracket.
But you want to count them all. Therefore, you won't be touching them. You don't want one of these. I know. Listen, you don't want these kickoffs. You don't want the straight ones touching the board where they're not supposed to be. So we have to mark every hole and count every kickoff and match it to the holes. Make sure you do that because you short off the board if you don't. Trust me. See all these
They must have took one off.
Yeah, every one of these.
This one needs one.
Every one of these has to be double reference, double check, or it matches the board. You don't want a stray one, so you don't want.
These two need ones.
You just don't want a stray one kicking off.
Yeah, there are so many little screws.
I think you might want to get. Let me go get some fingernail polish. You want to double check.
There's one.
Let me take a picture of this real fast. Hang on, guys. Just push it back down and I don't want to get.
You can just open the back.
Yeah. Okay, we're getting what we're saying. Okay, we double check it, then make sure they all line up. So we're putting the board in. And we're gonna look down in the holes, see if we can see the brass. Yeah, I see all brass. All look good. This looks good. Yeah, you just want to always make sure you don't have one of these extra ones sticking up touching the board. That goes nowhere because you short out. Originally you had the black ones in, so use the black ones.
Work. Well, those are also chassis screws.
Okay, we after double checking it, looking and seeing brass, we're putting the new chassis screws back in.
Okay.
Make sure just snug them.
It is.
Okay. And we need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them. The hardest part is the CPU. This thing got pins on it here. If you put the chip in wrong, you bend a pin and this whole board is no good. It's almost impossible to straighten them back out. So normally it takes a professional.
You're so professional.
No, I'm not professional. I made plus certified to come to you, and that's all. I don't claim to be perfect upon, I know the basics. Enough to build my own system.
That one's still just screwing. Maybe that's what it says.
Probably so.
Let me try one of the black ones.
Yeah, make sure that screw in. Worst case, you don't want these falling out and shorting out the board while you set it up. So always make sure to tighten. If it spins, it's the best thing. Maybe the kick, this thing right here probably spinning. The kick off itself might be stripped.
Oh, 4. Yeah, it's just slightly bigger than the other ones.
Weird. So we about.
Move yourself. Let me get to the other corner. I'm doing a piece of traffic.
Okay. We got Cricket trying to help us. She's always in the way.
Get in there. Stupid screws. There's a hole where you screw in. And then the black.
Hi, Cricket.
Nope. This one's a big one too. And then the box screw.
Black.
Yeah,
Where they
out
at?
of the box.
Oh, the box.
These bigger chassis screws. Okay.
Let me get a few more then. Here's 3 more right here.
Let's see if any of the simple ones need it.
Board I'll be using. Here's the Core Master screws. The missing one. That's why I was going to use this board for this case. I got 4 screws here.
Yep. Yep. I just need a slightly bigger one. Alright, let me try the others.
Here's some more here. 4 more. This is a very nice case. How much was the case originally? $150 board. Today's price. You just bought it. So what's the price of the board?
200.
200 with the board in the CPU.
Around, no. Both of them, 600.
$600 for the board and the CPU. So we got about $800 in it so far, just the board, CPU, and case. And the power supply,
No, that's not screwing.
Power,
Really need a black one.
power supply. I told you use the black ones right here.
They don't fit everything. So I can get it to let go. Screwing in, but it's not going out either. Maybe it is screwing it into the chassis.
Power supply runs about $50 to $75 range. Solid state drives is about $110 a piece.
You're putting it in there and you're just spinning otherwise.
My electric fall out.
Oh!
Let me see if I can do something with it. Yeah, that one. Just use the black ones now. Oh, but watch it now. Might have little kids watching.
Joseph! Little kids are not going to do repair. I can't find the screw net yet.
You lost it.
Oh, it's in there somewhere. Ugh. You're upside down. get placed?
I think that comes off.
Yeah.
After struggling a little bit, we finally managed to get them in these holes. We got them all tight and snug, and we are ready to put the CPU, the CoolMaster heat sink and fan, and the RAM in it, and plug it in. It should fire up. Here we go. Okay, we have to put this on the back of the board on the bottom. Forgot to do it first. That's for your heat sink and stuff. And you got these things right here. Here we go. Okay, we put these on. This is the CoolMaster thing that goes back here. So the CoolMaster flips down to. That's your heat sink and fan. We're putting these on there now on 4 screws.
What are you doing?
I don't care as long as you're not doing anything else.
Relax. You can push it in. Put it on correctly.
Okay, here we go. So,
Ironing exactly. And better.
the black thingy, 4 of them. Should be 4 things. That's where it locks down your heat sink CoolMaster on your CPU after you put the dumbbell face on it. Okay, we're plugging it in now. Yeah, I got a copy of that if you need it. It's documented.
Layout, so I know where to put these in.
These right here needs to be pushed out more. Here's these.
Yeah, I need the layout.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing down there in the box that you should not be playing with?
You're not playing with nothing.
She is.
I just put the box down.
Yeah, she's trying to get into it. And this thing.
What is that one says? That's
Oh, this one goes over here. It should.
what it says on the wire itself. It should say audio.
It's the only plug that looks the same. Let's see,
It should say what they're on the plugs.
They're hard to read. Some of these. Alright, 14, which is audio header. Yes, that is an audio header. What are you two doing?
They're not doing nothing.
Look, is there plastic in here?
No, they're not. Just a board.
You are Plaid, PW, HD. And I don't know what the other side was.
That's why you do research. Because I know where everything plugs in the case.
Hey! Stop trying to eat plastic!
They're not even near it.
No, I can hear them trying to eat the plastic.
Ain't no plastic there. They're not even near it.
That's what this
Okay, this goes here.
LED, yes.
That one goes there. Yeah.
HD plus, HD, LED. So plus negative.
Need a little bit more lighting here. Dark.
Yeah, I have the things. PLED plus, which is on the other side.
Always refer back to the menu. You know, always double reference. Double check stuff. Because you don't want to short anything out.
Speaker?
Switch. SW switch.
I don't see it.
SW. Yes. Speaker is SPK, I think, the initials.
Power SW. Switch.
Oh yeah, yeah, power switch, yeah.
Okay.
Nobody's near all this other stuff, so.
Is there a thing in the back? No.
Okay, this could be a minute too then.
It won't hurt you.
So I got this plug in right here already.
Mm-hmm.
And we need to plug in, we need two of these for here, for the board, for the CPU.
Okay.
And these right here is your drives. Okay, we got the SATA plug in. All plugged in right here. And he has 250 gigabyte, a terabyte, 250 terabyte, 250 solid state, gig solid state.
Are on the top.
And he has,
Right here.
then he has 1 terabyte hard drive and another terabyte solid
Are
state.
these the power?
SATA.
Are these the power?
We're gonna have to
You
J-rig.
sure they fit?
Yeah, they fit. We have to J-rig, make it fit in this wire, compromise a little bit, and get in there. Let me put it in there.
There.
CPU,
And the cool master
core master,
and his thing.
and RAM, and his thing. Okay, we about done. About 3/4 way.
Before installation. We'll have installation here.
I think that's for when
That's the Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi. You can see. See? E-gaming Wi-Fi. So that card goes right there. That's why this thing is here. Little piece of cardboard. I mean, styrofoam.
Okay. Okay, here's a critical moment. We got everything plugged in other than the CPU, heatsink, paste, memory, and the graphics card, and the M2 card. So we're putting this in now. Okay, that's what it looks like, but
It looks like it's set.
yeah, I don't know, but you bend those pins easy, so I don't like that. Here we go, guys. It's the truth moment. Alright. I'll let you bend it, but here we go. That's what I was talking about, guys. This sits on here like that, and you know, actually like this. You kind of pretty much, it has a little triangle, little bitty sucker. It's right here. You have to match it with
The middle one.
yeah,
And
yeah,
there's another one over there.
yeah. So it's a pain in the butt. Make sure this is clean since it was used. But normally when you buy it new, you don't have to worry about cleaning it. I just clean it with a rag. Then you got this stubborn paste. Pop the lid off.
Depends on if you want the ROGs or the expansion slots.
What?
That's what that is. That's for expansion slots. M2 cards.
Whoa, shit.
It's getting everywhere.
It's hard. I'm reaching like 10 miles up. That should be enough pace.
Think about putting the M2 in it just so it's there. So you don't lose the card or anything.
so you can put the whole thing in like I was talking about.
Take the
Okay, get the heat sink.
off.
Let me get the heat sink and get the heat
Blow
sink.
up. This
Okay,
is a long screw.
She's doing the. You do crisscross there.
It's also makes the thing screw if you haven't noticed.
I know that. Spring loaded, do a crisscross. That thing on it. Tighten one spring, then tighten another spring.
I might get it down on the chair. So I have. Want to turn it?
Here we go. This is what we got so far. We got the Ram Man, Cool Master. I don't know what she's doing.
I'm gonna turn it.
Turn what?
Cool Master. That side.
Okay, you put this in this slot here, boy slot, and it runs
Alright, move
through
that.
the boy slot power and this cable. And we plug this in. This is the M2 board extension. We're not going to really use it, but we put it if we won't lose it for upgrades in the future. I mean, we're putting on the Cool Master now. This screw ain't working.
I've only done one on that side.
I know, but it's not even. It's crystallized. There it goes. Nope, it's still screwed up. Whatever you did, it caused it to screw it up. I don't know. Okay, we finally got the Cool Master in. Got everything in.
There's my little
So you can put the fan in.
metal thing, Stevie.
What else thing? It's in the case. Okay, we installing the fan itself on the Cool Master heat sink.
That's gonna be fun. This is always so fun.
It's a pain sometimes. So.
Sometimes it always is.
There we go.
I can get it. No, the wrong ones. Not the ones in the back. I don't remember. No? Oh, let's see. No? Well, it should be working. It's back here. Yeah, on both sides. Little tiny. Holes crack. That's it. Empty these. There you go.
Okay, we're all done with it.
Alright, everything's plugged.
Okay, let me finish doing a couple things and boom, we're done. Okay, complete project. We plugged the antenna in for the Wi-Fi. It's right there. Here's the case, completely shut. It's all hooked up. Hopefully it'll fire up the first time. Hope we got all the wiring to the board right for the power switch. That's sometimes we have problems with that, but that's the most part that we kind of worry about is getting that power switch right. We choose to move it over here in this silver slot because it's supposed to be faster. So.
Move so I can find my screws.
This board comes with M3 slots for 2 on the board and 2 in the adapter that came with it. This is how it plugs into the adapter. We're gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell so you get the newest notification, newest videos, and share us out with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.